Welcome to the third unit, that is tachymetry. So this is little bit a different chapter we'll be studying today, right? So we'll first understand what is tachymetry and we'll see first what are the things that we're going to study today. We're going to study what is tachymetry, we'll see the principles of tachymetry, right? And we'll see why we use tachymetry, why it is necessary to use tachymetry. Tachymetry is a branch of survey in which the horizontal distances and elevations of an object are defined or determined indirectly by an instrument called tachymeter. So this tachymeter we'll be using to calculate the horizontal distance and elevations of an object is called tachymetry. It is a branch of survey. Tachymetry combines the operation of chaining and leveling, thus avoid chaining completely. Right? Tachymetric surveying is a rapid method as compared as of conventional surveying methods, because in one go you can calculate the distance as well as the elevations like you do in the total stations, right? Because in no other method you can do calculate the distance as well as the elevations, right? In the theodolite also you can't calculate the distance and the elevations at one go, but in this method you can do that, but it is but it is very rapid and it is not used for the very large surveys, right? Very important surveys which are there, we don't use this tachymetry, use for the small surveys, right? The in the tachymetry we talked about the instrument called tachyometer, which will be used to calculate this elevation and the distance of the object, right? But we don't go for any special type of tachymetry. We will be using the our normal transit theodolite and our leveling staff, our normal leveling staff. We'll see there is a different type of staff that is used actually for theodolite, but if it is not there, you can go for a leveling staff, right? The instruments employed in the tachymetry are the engineering transits and the leveling staff or stadia rod. The other staff rod or the staff you can say is the stadia rod, right? And the theodolite. If the engineering transit that is used for the tachymetry is not there, then we go for theodolite. And if the stadia rod is not there, we go for leveling rod. Right? Most probably we don't go for this engineering transit and a stadia rod because nowadays nobody has those, but we use tachymetric survey with the help of the theodolite and the leveling staff. We'll see what is the principle of tachymetry, right? The principle of tachymetry is based on the isosceles triangles, where the ratio of distances of the base from the apex and the length of the base is always constant. Right? What does it mean? The principle, what does the principles is trying to say is based on the properties of isosceles triangle. You know what is isosceles triangle? A triangle which has two sides equal, where the two sides are equal. These two sides are equal, then it means the two angles are also equal, right? So where the ratios of the distance of the base from the apex and this distance and this distance, right? Distance between the base from the apex, right? This distance and the length of the base is always constant. So with the help of this this principle we are going to calculate the distances, right? We will see how we will be calculating and how we will be using principle. Just understand this is your principle, right? This is all for today's class. We'll be studying more about this in the next class, right? We will go in deep about the principles in the next class.